Hey YouTube, welcome to Build and Grow 21. Okay, the channel that's presenting all of these plants right now. I figure it probably got about a couple hundred plants started just between what's growing right here, because I've got a lot of shoots here that I can grow more from. So 15, 30, 45, 60, and yeah, maybe closer to 100 plants I could get out of this. I'll probably get 50 that actually work out well. Variety of lettuces and parsley. Gotta get these to harden off a little more. They haven't had much time to harden off. The weather's really cold outside, so we'll see if they're going to make it through here this weekend. Supposed to drop to about 27 before 9 a.m. tomorrow. So, variety of plants started already, going according to schedule. And what I want to do is just come in and show under the tent here this Kratky Hydroponics system. I really can't keep up with how much it produces now. And I haven't really done much. You've seen a lot of these videos, or you could watch more about how this system started, what it started like, and gosh, for over 2 months, been getting regular salads. Now, getting salads to the point where, getting 2-3 salads out of here a day is not enough to keep up with production, and I still haven't really transplanted any of the plants. This system has been going on for almost 8-9 weeks. The roots there for this plant, I think this plant's about 6 weeks old, at least in this system. I've been picking quite a lot from these leaves here, and they keep coming back and coming back. And like this one, their root system keeps getting more and more, and there's still quite a bit of water down in there, so I don't want to mess with this too much, I think, wow, yeah, look down in there, look at that. That's really, really, really good, and could probably get about another 3 or 4, well, I'll plan that I can get 3 more weeks out of this and then be ready to transplant new plants into this. Okay, the reason I sighed is because there's a lot to keep up with here. So don't think that just because I say this is happening, production is happening, regular harvesting is happening, good growing is going on, but you have to keep up with it. If I don't, it'll come to an end eventually, and that's why, I call this sustainable to the point that all the pieces of the puzzle still work together. Here, this is a very simple system. There are no pumps, only water that I put in almost 3 months ago. And the plants were little teeny tiny, and for the last 2 months they've been producing salads at least twice a day for 2 people. Now, actually, 3 of us share right now, but just to give an idea, these plants are going to go outside. These are not part of the hydroponic system. They're just growing in their cups here. Look how beautiful that is down there. See what the rest of the, yeah, look at that. All these roots really grow. Just goes to show, simple plastic cups really work out well for starting plants, especially parsley. Okay, that's what I wanted to show. As we get ready for everything else, still need to eat in the meantime. So what do we come in and pick all the time? Yep, greens that we grow on our own because they're just so lovely. Yeah. Maybe not 100% perfect, but that's the way it's supposed to be. They require no washing. I just come in and I snip because this is a clean system. There's no bugs in here. It's plants growing in a sterile medium with a water mix of, you know, very simple nutrient. And I keep showing that over and over, and I'll show it more. But they produce these beautiful, beautiful, beautiful lettuce leaves. Butter crunch lettuce really works out well for me. Basil, parsley, cilantro, mesclun lettuce, you know, different colored lettuces. Okay, give it a try. Basil, see what happens. And then so many, 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 many less stores to be visited, you know, to provide you with what you need as you get ready for all of the good outdoor gardening. Okay, there you got it. Build and grow. And one thing I wanted to note about this, you know, kind of cheap DIY system, the wonderful thing is, you know, not only is it collapsible, rebuildable, I can set it up so many different ways, kind of like a Lego set almost, but it's got these little holes here, you know, these pockets that'll hold just about anything. Okay, very handy, very nifty. Can't do that with, like, if I had to set up a simple shelf that you buy for $200. I mean, come on. This system here probably cost less than $50 to put together like that. There's no way you could buy something that's going to come together like that for less than $50. But go to the website, you know, shows you how. All right. Website is tonytiolis.com. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, or don't. And if you got some critiques, ideas, and ways that you grow with Kratky Hydroponics, the system that works for me, a couple of years after really looking into what's the best way to really grow greens indoor at home. Now, I do run with lights. I have emergency backup lighting if needed. And look, worst comes to worst, these plants could always be transplanted outside right now because it's springtime.